UGC NET JRF exam November 2017 solved paper History paper 3. Note: this paper contains 75 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. About the meaning of history, who has observed divine providence would take care of meaning of history if he, historian, takes care of facts? A. Collingwood. B. Crouse. C. Ranke. D. Rainier. And the answer is option C. Ranke. Question number 2. Which prehistoric site has yielded the evidence of earliest huts in India? A. Sirki Nivasa. D. Didwana. C. Hansgi. D. Paisra. And the answer is option D. Paisra. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not correct? A. A substantial component of Harappan economy was comprised of the trade. B. Harappans were carrying inland as well as seafaring trade. C. They had brisk trade contact with the Nile Valley civilization. D. Excavations have yielded bronze and terracotta models of carts as well as depiction of boats on seals. And the answer is option C. They had brisk trade contact with the Nile Valley civilization. Question number 4. Which Harappan civilization site excavated later has provided the evidence of an unique water harvesting and management system? A. Birana. B. Dholavira. C. Kunal. D. Rakhigarhi. And the answer is option B. Dholavira. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. The area between the Sindhu and the Hindu Kush can be regarded culturally as a part of India during almost the whole of the Hindu period. Reason R. The reference to the rivers Kuba, Krumu and Komal in the Rig Veda leaves no doubt that the Indo-Aryans were intimately associated with Afghanistan. In the light of the above two, which of the following is correct? A. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 6. Arrange the following inscriptions in the chronological order. 1. Begustun inscription of Darius. 2. Bohas Koi inscription. 3. Naksh-i Rustam inscription of Darius. 4. Persepolis inscription of Darius. And the answer is 2, 1, 4, 3. Bogas Koi inscription, Begustun inscription of Darius, Persepolis inscription of Darius, and Nashke Rustam inscription of Darius. Question number 7. The historicity of Darsaka, who, according to the genealogy of the Purana, succeeded Ajatasattu on the throne of Magadha, is testified by A. Arthasastra, B. Devi Chandraguptam, C. Mudra Rakshasa, D. Swapna Vasavadatta. And the answer is option D. Swapna Vasavadatta. Question number 8. Arrange the following events in the chronological order. 1. Assassination of Philippus Alexander Satrap in the Upper Sindh Valley. 2. Burning of Persepolis by Alexander. 3. Fight between Alexander and Porus. 4. Treaty of Triparadisus. And the answer is 2, 3, 1, 4. Burning of Persepolis by Alexander. Fight between Alexander and Porus. Assassination of Philippus Alexander Satrap in the Upper Sindh Valley. Treaty of Triparadisus. Question number 9. The citizens, numbering about 20,000 after a brave resistance to Alexander, cast themselves with their wives and children into flames, anticipating the Rajput Johar of later days, belong to which of the following Indian tribes? A. Agalasoi, B. Maloi, C. Oxydrakai, D. Kshatri. And the answer is option A. Agalasoi. Question number 10. Which classical Graeco-Roman author had observed, generally the men who have hitherto written on India were set of liars. Dimachus holds the first place in the list. Megasthenes comes next, while Onesicritus and Nearchus, with others of the same class, managed to stammer out a few words of truth. And A. Arrian, B. Justin, C. Plutarch, D. Strabo. And the answer is option D. Strabo. 11. Which rock edicts of other recension of the series of Ashoka's 14 rock edicts are substituted by the separate Kalinga edicts found at Dhauli and Jogada? 1. 11, 2, 12, 3, 13, 4, 14. And the answer is option B. 11, 12 and 13 only. 12. The brick core of the largest stupa of Sanchi, known as Stupa number 1 or Great Stupa, was built during the time of A. Ashoka, B. Kanishka, C. Menander, D. Agnimitra Sunga. And the answer is option A. Ashoka. 13. Which of the following kings claims to have stopped the practice of mixing of varnas? A. Gautamiputra Satakarni, B. Kharavela, C. Pushyamitra Sunga, D. Pravarasena 1. And the answer is option A. Gautamiputra Satakarni. 14. The title Maharaja Rajatirajadevaputrasa Kaisarasa for the Kushana king Kanishka occur in which of the following inscriptions? A. Ara stone inscription of Kanishka 2 year 41. B. Mathura pedestal inscription of Kanishka 1 year 11. C. Mathura pedestal inscription of Kanishka 1 year 23. D. Mathura pedestal inscription of Vasudeva year 80. And the answer is option A. Ara stone inscription of Kanishka 2 year 41. 15. The name of goddess Uma occurs on the coins of which of the following? A. Guptas, B. Indo-Greek, C. Kushanas, D. Sakas. And the answer is option C. Kushanas. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1 king, list 2 epithet. Gondophares, Devavrata, Kanishka, Devaputra, Pravarasena 1, Dharma Maharaja, Samudragupta, Dharma Prachirabandha. Question number 17. The Karli rock cut cave was excavated in A. 2nd century BC, B. 3rd century BC, C. 1st century AD, D. 2nd century AD. And the answer is option C. 1st century AD. 18. Which king of the Gupta dynasty was the first to call himself as Maharajadiraja? A. Chandragupta 1, B. Chandragupta 2, C. Gupta, D. Ramagupta. And the answer is option A. Chandragupta 1. 19. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below the list. List 1. Samudragupta's contemporary king of South India. List 2. Their kingdoms. Dhananjaya, Kushtalapura, Nilaraja, Avamukta, Ugrasena, Palaka, Vishnugopa, Kanchi. Question number 20. Despite the refusal of permission by the emperor, which Chinese traveler visited India and on his return to China, not only his secret exit from China was forgiven, but he was received with great honor? A. Fogsen, B. Heng-sung, C. Ai-tsing, D. Tsiukyu King-sheng. And the answer is option B. Hyun-sung. 21. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 administrator, list 2 department. Bandhagardhikrita treasury. Dasaparadika, justice. Mahakshapathalika, archives. Shaulkika, revenue. 2. The Alvas were A. Saibitai priest, B. Sakta followers, C. Vaishnava saints, D. Tantric priest. And the answer is option C. Vaishnava saints. 23. Who founded Somapura Mahavihara, the famous center of education? A. Devapala, B. Dharmapala, C. Harsha, D. Vijayasena. And the answer is option B. Dharmapala. 24. Arrange the following temples in the chronological order. A. Airavateswara temple. 2. Gangaikonda Solapuram temple. 3. Shore temple of Mahabalipuram. 4. Vaikuntha Perumal temple. And the answer is 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Shore temple of Mahabalipuram, Vaikuntha Perumal temple, Gangaikonda Solapuram temple, Airavateswara temple. 25. The Sailendra rulers of East Indies maintained intimate relations with which of the following ruling dynasties of India? 1. Chalukyas of Vengai. 2. Cholas. 3. Palas. 4. Pandyas. The answer is option C, 2 and 3 only. Cholas and Palas. 26. Which one of the following statements is not correct as per the Dasipatra Vidhi? AD 1230, SL did mention in the Lekhapadhati. A. War captives were major source of procuring slaves. B. Slaves were sold in the open market. C. If slave commits suicide, the owner should be held responsible and be punished. D. To execute the deed, Rakshapalas and residents of the town were chosen as witness. And the answer is option C. If slave commits suicide, the owner should be held responsible and be punished. 27. Which one of the following is the earliest known manuscript copied on paper, when and where? A. Satapat Brahman 108 Kashmir. B. Chachnama 11th century Sindh. C. Rajatarangini of Kalhana 1149 Kashmir. D. Hitopadesa of Narayana 11th to 12th century Bengal. And the answer is option A. Shatapat Brahman 1089 Kashmir. 28. On the issue of successful maintenance of Bharat, which of the following sultan thus advised his son? Informers and spies should not be allowed to come anywhere near the court, for their closeness to the ruler terrifies obedient and trustworthy friends, and their confidence in the king, which is the basis of good government, vanishes. A. Iltutmish, B. Balban, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Sikandar Lodi. And the answer is option B. Balban. 29. Consider the following statements about Iqta. 1. Iqta-i Tamlik were hereditary, in which the Iqta was almost considered the private property of the grantee. 2. Iqta-i Mustanghal were not hereditary and were initially both administrative and military in nature. 3. Iqta-i Wajahi were personal grants in which neither the administrative nor military aspects was emphasized. And the answer is option A, 1 and 2. 30. When Kamal Mahyar, a convert to Sultan Islam, was selected for the post of Mutasarrif of Amroha and was presented before him, the Sultan reacted. When I happen to look at a low-born person, every artery and vein in my body begins to agitate with fury. Identify the Sultan. A. Iltutmish, B. Balban, C. Jalaluddin Khalji, D. Bahlol Lodi. And the answer is option B. Balban. 31. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. Sayyid Muhammad was the founder of the Nurbakhshia sect. B. The ideas of the Nurbakhshia sect are contained in the work known as Fiqh-i-Ahwal. C. The Nurbakshiyas did not celebrate Muharram. D. The Nurbakshiyas suffered a setback in the time of Mirza Haidar Duglak, who persecuted them. And the answer is option C. The Nurbakshiya did not celebrate Muharram. 32. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The famous Persian poet Badshah of the Tughlaq period, who came just a little after Amir Khusrau, says about music that the basic modes Parda are none except 10 and 2, and he fixes each one of them to particular parts of the day and night. Reason R. Amir Khusrau speaks of 10 Pardas modes only. The list given by these two poets and those found in works of lexicons and musical work do tally. And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 33. Barbosa writes, the king allows such freedom that every man may come and go and live according to his own creed without suffering any annoyance and without enquiry whether he is a Christian, Jew, Moor or heathen. Great equity and justice is observed to all, not only by the rulers but by the people one to another. Identify ruler under whom the state lay in the toleration. A. Achyutaraya. B. Krishnadevaraya. C. Ramraya. D. Sadasivaraya. And the answer is option B. Krishnadevaraya. 34. Which of the following Mughal emperor noticed villagers collecting day-to-day liquor in the Chambal Valley between Bayana and Dholpur, and he describes the method of extracting this as well as the tari proper? A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is option A. Babur. 35. Who said, whosoever came to the Sirai was to be served with food out of government money according to one's rank, and his pony was given grain and drink? A. Muhammad Tughlaq. C. Sikandar Lodi. C. Sher Shah Suri. D. Aurangzeb. And the answer is option C. Sher Shah Suri. 36. Name the notable astronomer of Akbar's court who wrote Tajik-Nilakantha, an astrological treatise. A. Nilakantha. B. Kalyanamala. C. Jagannath Pandita. D. Vedangharaya. And the answer is option A. Nilakantha. 37. Which of the following emperor used to take part in a bout of gambling during the celebration of Diwali that continued for 3 nights? A. Muhammad Tughlaq. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Farrukhsiyar. And the answer is option C. Jahangir. 38. Shah Jahan used to reward his nobles for their architectural patronage. Which of the nobles' rank was increased for the construction of a fine garden in Kashmir, as well as for his diplomatic dealings with the unruly population? A. Jain Khan. B. Zakaria Khan. C. Zahid Khan. D. Zafar Khan. And the answer is option D. Zafar Khan. 39. En route to Karnataka, he made a pilgrimage to the Shiva temple of Sri Shaila on the Krishna river. On departing, he gave funds sufficient to build a bathing ghat on the river, a monastery, and a guest house for pilgrims. Identify this Maratha ruler. A. Shivaji. B. Shambhaji. C. Rajaram. D. Balaji Bajrao 1. And the answer is option A. Shivaji. 40. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. Nasakhi was introduced as an alternative of the Japti-i-Harsala. Reason R. Muzaffar Khan Diwani-i-Khalisa discontinued the Japti-i-Harsala and established Nasak. And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 41. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. Jharokha Darshan was an innovation of Akbar and was designed to establish a personal bond between the ruler and his subject. Reason R. As Akbar's prestige rose, some people made a rule not to eat or drink till they had the darshan of the king. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 42. In regard to Mughal emperor's interest in music, which of the following statement is not correct? A. For Akbar's interest in music, Abul Fazl writes that His Majesty has such a knowledge of the science of music as trained musicians do not possess. B. Shah Jahan patronized music at his court and is said to have acquired considerable proficiency in the art himself. C. Aurangzeb's reign saw the production of a large number of books on music. The most famous of these was Tuhfat-ul-Hind, written for Aurangzeb's grandson Jahandar Shah. D. The most famous singers during Muhammad Shah's period were Niamat Khan Sadrang and Fairuz Khan Adrang. They were masters of Bhairavi. And the answer is option D. The most famous singers during Muhammad Shah's period were Niamat Khan Sadrang and Fairuz Khan Adrang. They were masters of Bhairavi. 43. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. Ramchandra Pant Amatya in his Ajnapatra strongly disapproves of the system of hereditary assignments, vritti, out of land revenue on the ground that it led to a continuous decline of the government income. Reason R. Ramachandra Pant says it is a sin to resume a hereditary preferment, vritti, however small it may be. It should not be transferred to another, nor it be resumed. In the context of the above two statements, which of the following is correct? And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 44. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In the 11th Arwai 1567 of Akbar, Muzaffar Khan and Raja Tondarmal affected a major change. Quanangos were asked to provide information about the area of land cultivated and uncultivated. Reason R. It was on the basis of the information provided by the Quanangos that instead of a single price list for the whole empire, the crop rates began to be converted into cash on the basis of the prices prevalent in different regions. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 45. With regard to Mansab claims, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Muhasiba, settlement of accounts. Muthaliba, amount borrowed by the deceased noble from the imperial treasury, so claimed by imperial treasury. Mukharara Talab, sanctioned claim. Tashiha, renewal certificate for the claim of Mansabdars. 46. What is not the true about the Mughal Zamindars? A. A Jamindar could not be dispossessed or appointed by anyone except the emperor. B. An official or Jagirdar could only send his recommendation to the court for forfeiting the Jamindari rights. C. A Subadar of the province sometimes could appoint a member of the same old family to replace a recalcitrant Zamindar. D. A Mughal Zamindar's income from its proprietary claims. Malikana was 10%, 25% in Gujarat, to which was added 5 to 10% Dankar, which he received from revenue authorities in lieu of revenue collection. And the answer is option C. A Subadar of the province sometimes could appoint a member of the same old family to replace recalcitrant Zamindar. 47. Which of the following statements are true about the sand glass, hourglass? 1. The first reference to sand glass in Afghanistan seems to occur in Mir Khan's Rawzat as-Safa. 2. By the 16th century, the sand glasses in use in India were so made as to show the Indian measure of time. Gari. 3. The sand glass begins to be shown in Mughal miniatures from Akbar's time onwards. 4. Ramchandra's Yantra Prakasha and Janaraja's Sundara Siddhanta refer to sand clock. Select the correct answer from the code below, and the answer is option C 1, 3 and 4. 48. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. In Mughal miniatures, Babar's depiction in his court represents Babar in an informal gathering of friends. B. Many Mughal paintings depict Humayun's court marked by the display of overpowering grandeur, order, and immutability. C. Akbar had strictly demarcated spaces in the court for each of the princes and nobles. D. When Bairam Khan appeared on horseback before Akbar and held him by the hand, the violation of etiquette was so grave that Akbar included it among the Khan's most serious offences. And the answer is option B. Many Mughal paintings depict Humayun's court marked by the display of overpowering grandeur, order, and immutability. 49. Match list 1 with list 2 pertaining to various categories of terms used for the ladies of the imperial household and choose correct answer from the code given below. Beham, ladies of royal blood. Agacha Aha, royal ladies of inferior origin and status. Gunchachi, mistresses. Sarari, concubines. 50. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. The Arabic term khilat has its Persian counterpart saropa. B. Khilat or saropa was comprised of sarpek and turban. C. Saropa carried the impress of completeness signified in the king's person, now being imparted to the recipient. D. Since king's person symbolically encompassed across the empire, the recipient of the khilat too was incorporated symbolically into the imperial presence and became part and extension of it. And the answer is option B. Cloth or saropa was comprised of sarpak and turban. 51. Which made the following assessment about Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan? Hyder was an improving monarch and exhibited few innovations. Tipu was an innovating monarch and made no improvements. A. N.K. Sinha. B. Sheikh Ali. C. Max Wilkes. D. H. Wilson. And the answer is option C. Max Wilkes. 52. Who made the following statement? We have effectively crippled our enemy without making our friends too formidable. A. Charles Metcalfe. B. Cornwallis. C. Lord Wellesley. D. John Lawrence. And the answer is option B. Cornwallis. 53. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the code given below. List 1. States annexed by the British. List 2 year. Sathara 1848, Nagpur 1853, Jhansi 1854, Sambalpur 1849. From among the 54. From among the following princely rulers, who was described by Mr. Innes as most loyal to the British for having loudly proclaimed "Save India" for the British? A. Begum of Bhopal. B. Sir Salar Jung. C. Scindia. D. Gulab Singh. And the answer is option C. Scindia. 55. Who among the following made a statement in the House of Commons that the destinies of our Indian empire are covered with thick darkness? It may be that having become instructed in European knowledge, they may in some future age demand European institutions. Whether such a day will ever come, I know not. Whenever it comes, it will proudest day in English history. A. Wilberforce. B. T.B. Macaulay. C. Charles Wood. D. Gladstone. And the answer is option B. T.B. Macaulay. 56. In which college a confrontation between the principal D.L. Richardson and the student president of the Society for the Acquisition of General Knowledge took place while a paper was being read? A. Elphinstone College, Bombay. B. Dalai College, Indore. C. Hindu College, Calcutta. D. Mayo College, Ajmer. And the answer is option C. Hindu College, Calcutta. 57. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Engineering Colleges, Science Institutes. List 2. Foundation of the Year. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, 1911. Thomson College of Civil Engineering, Roorkee, 1847. Ghosh Research Institute, Calcutta, 1917. The Harcourt Butler Technological Institute, Kanpur, 1921. 58. Who among the following was the famous women revolutionary was sentenced to transportation for life in the Chittagong Armory raid case? After her release in 1939, she joined the Communist Party of India. A. Beena Das, B. Kalpana Datta, C. Prithilatha Vadedar, D. Leela Nag. And the answer is option B, Kalpana Datta. 59. Which of the following revolutionary organization is not correctly matched with the name of its founder? Organization founder. A. Bengal Volunteers, Hemachandra Bose. B. Anand Math, Satyendranath Bose. C. Sri Sangha, Roshan Lal. D. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, Sachindranath Sanyal. And the answer is option C, Sri Sangha, Roshan Lal. 60. What is the name of the act under which the printer and publisher of any paper in native language could be called upon to enter into a bond not to publish anything to excite feelings of disaffection against the government? A. Press Act of 1910. B. Press Emergency Power Act 1937. C. Press Censor Act of 1868. D. Vernacular Press Act 1878. And the answer is option D, Vernacular Press Act 1878. 61. Who among the following passed the Infant Marriage Preservation Act in 1901, which fixed the minimum marriageable age in the state for girls at 12 and for boys at 16? A. Holkar of Indore. B. Bhonsle of Nagpur. C. Bhonsle of Kolhapur. D. Gaikwad of Baroda. And the answer is option D, Gaikwad of Baroda. 62. In which year a Workmen's Compensation Act was passed? A. 1911. B. 1919. C. 1923. D. 1934. And the answer is option C, 1923. 63. About whom the following Captain Sydenham wrote, "For they come to plunder, not to fight"? A. Ramoshi. B. Pindari. C. Maratha. D. Afghani. And the answer is option B, Pindaris. 64. In which year the Birth Control League was founded in Bombay? A. 1920. B. 1924. C. 1947. D. 1950. And the answer is option B, 1924. 65. Who among the following described the Cripps proposals as a post-dated check on a failing bank? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rajagopalachari. D. J.B. Kriplani. And the answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. 66. Who among the following had the title Far-e-Afghan? A. Syed Hasan Imam. B. Khan Syed Ahmad. C. Abul Khala Asad. D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And the answer is option D, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 67. Match list 1 with list 2 and select your answer from the code given below. List 1 translation, list 2 Marathi translator. Arabian Nights, Krishan Sastri Chiplankar, Robinson Crusoe, Ravji Shastri Godbowl, Lamb's Tales, Shakaram Pandit, Thelo, Mahadev Shastri Kolhatkar. 68. Which of the following newspapers made vigorous denunciation of the indigo planters and supported the cause of cultivators during indigo riots? A. Friend of India. B. Hindu Patriots. C. Hurkaru. D. Hindustan. And the answer is option B, Hindu Patriot. 69. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Chittagong Armory Raid, Surya Sen. B. Kakori Conspiracy Case, Asfaqullah. C. Lahore Conspiracy Case, Jatin Das. D. Meerut Conspiracy Case, Mirza Abbas. And the answer is option D, Meerut Conspiracy Case, Mirza Abbas. 70. Which of the two universities out of the four following universities were established in the same year? Select the correct answer from the code given below. 1. Aligarh Muslim University. 2. SNDT Women's University Bombay. 3. Banaras Hindu University. 4. Vishwa Bharati University. And the answer is Option C 2 and 3. 71. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was associated with which institution that espoused the cause of women's education? A. Bethune College, Calcutta. B. Hindu College, Calcutta. C. Girls School, Baras. D. Sanskrit College, Calcutta. And the answer is option A. Bethune College, Calcutta. 72. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1. Literary writers. List 2. Language of the writings. Rabindranath Ray, Oriya. Subramanya Bharati, Tamil. Bhaivir Singh, Punjabi. Kerala Verma, Malayalam. 73. Arrange the following books in chronological order in which they got published. Use the code given below. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi, Economic History of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, My Experiments with Truth. R. Palme Dutt, An Autobiography. R. C. Dutt, India Today. 74. Who among the following princely ruler was made Maharaj Pramukh for his lifetime in the Covenant for Reconstitution of the United State of Rajasthan? A. Jodhpur. B. Bikaner. C. Mewar. D. Jaipur. And the answer is option C. Mewar. 75. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The theory of social Darwinism argued that societies are subject to the law of natural selection. Reason R. Societies world over have failed to adapt to the circumstances as they have progressed. And the answer is option C. A is true but R is false.